So hello friend, this is Aga Saxena and you are watching the video from here, and in this video I will tell you how you can start English from beginner. If you are beginner, then this video is special for you, and in this video I will tell you how you can start English. So what kinds of things you have to do for your English. So you have to keep in mind when I will tell you. Okay, so first thing is what? First thing, you have to daily practice means mostly time you have to speak English, no matter your English is bad and your English is good. If you are not know the words, then you have to know the some words around 10, 20, 30 per day, and daily you have to daily doing this word, because if you know more vocab, then you can speak easily. You know very well. So a person want to speak English, but when he try, then he get stuck. So why he stuck? Because he don't know word meanings. Word meaning means vocabulary. Because if you know vocab, then you can also start, because I want to explain some things. If I know the word meanings of that types of things, then I can easily explain it. But if I don't know about any vocab, any words, so how can I explain anything? So same thing is that firstly you have to know more and more word meanings you can learn, like daily life, what you are doing in your daily life. So you can note down in Hindi, and after that you have to translate, and you have to check the internet, Google, so and write, and you have to learn again and again. So first thing you complete, and after that you have to learn. Okay, then if you are doing such things, then I'm sure your English will improve. So this is the first thing and first step. And after that, when you will meet your friend, then you have to conversation in English. Don't hesitate, because it's your beginning, and in the beginning you have to do hard work. If you are not doing hard work, so you can't learn anything as you want. If you want really anything for doing in beginning, then firstly you have to do hard work. After that you will know how to explain anything, how to handle anything things. Okay, so first and second rule is you have to doing hard work at any field, in any field. Okay, so second thing is complete, and third thing is what? Third thing, you have to improve. You have to change your environment, because environment is matter everything. Okay, when you will change your environment, then you can automatically realize what the importance of environment. Okay, so when you will environment, just like you go to your friend, which type of friend? Who know more English, and you have to talk strangers means who know very well English. So this is the basic things, and you have to only read in English, watch anything in English, and meet friends and translate and explain in English. So you have to totally doing in English everything. It's a real. Okay, without doing this you can't learn English. Okay, so first thing and second and fourth and third, everything is what you have to daily by daily using, and daily by daily practicing, and change your environment, listening videos, talking with your friends and family. No matter your English is good or bad, I am also doing these things because I want to learn English and speak English like fluent. So I know when I will try and I will practice, then I also can speak in English. If English is not impossible, it's a possible, because every student, every person will will speak, when he practice. Okay, so I know in this video I speaks many wrong sentences, but no matter, I am also learning. Okay, it's a practicing video, and you are also learning and watching, and you're practicing. Okay, so no matter, so I know I am speaking very not good, something normal, but one day I will also speak in very fluent English and very well English. So okay, keep doing, keep trying, keep learning. So okay, bye. Let's see tomorrow, and let's see next video. So bye.